Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to do an oil change on a Chrysler 300. This is a 2021 model, and it is also the V6 model. The V8 Hemi is going to have a different oil filter, but basically going to be the same concept a little bit. For this one, you are going to need, for the filter, a 24mm socket, oil filter socket, long extension, and a ratchet. And the filter is actually right here, and then obviously your cap's there for the oil. So get that off. Just gonna pop this bitch on here. And sometimes these are gonna be tough. Let's see if I can't break it loose. Let's break it loose. Just keep turning. And it should lighten up a little bit. There we go. And that's your filter. So this is the filter, and then your O-rings right here. In your package when you get the filter, it's going to be both new. This filter, same thing. There's your O-ring. Alright, so you want to make sure it's in that groove, because if not, we're going to have oil everywhere after you start the car. It won't seal properly. Filter pops in. Back in the hole. You just want to snug these. You don't want to over tighten these. You gotta take this guy off, this guy off, and this guy, and that guy down there. I believe. Get that off. I think they're both 10, all four of them are 10mm, so I'm going to do that and then be right back. Alright, so I got the under panel off, and that exposes our lower oil pan. You're going to need 13 for the drain plug, and obviously some of the catches. And onto the final step, like I said before, was filling it up in that little tube thing. 6/4 of 5W20. And bam. And then that's it. Take this guy out. Put him over here. And then put this guy in. So no oil gets out. And now let's start this little fill up. See what you got. And that's how you do an oil change on the 300 Chrysler.